This video contains tips for using statutes on Lexis Advance for the Intellectual Property Research course at Boston College Law School. If you know the citation to a statute, the quickest way to get there is to type or paste the citation into the search bar. 15 U.S.C. section 1051 is the first section of the Federal Trademark Act. When you use a code, you often need to read more than one section to fully understand what the code says. Just below the statement of how current the code is today are links to the larger units of the U.S. Code. There's a link to an outline of the entire U.S. Code, as well as this title, this chapter, and the subchapter that this section is in. On the left is a table of contents link. This allows you to see the headings of the surrounding code sections while reading the text of this section, so you can easily see which other sections you may need to read to make sense of this section. The Go To pull-down menu helps you navigate quickly to other parts of this document. For example, if we select History, we jump down to the references to the public laws that enacted and amended this code section. Another important go-to is Notes to Decisions. This section begins with an outline of the legal topics within which editors chose cases interpreting this code section. Click on an arrow down to move to the actual notes that will lead you to selected interpretive cases on that topic. If you don't have a citation, you can still browse for a statute, narrow by content, type, statutory code, and by jurisdiction. In this case, we're going to choose California, but this could be done in either order. Clicking on the name of the code will make it a filter for your search and also provide an expandable outline of the code for browsing. Given that I know the California trademark definitions are in the Business and Professions Code, let's expand that. On this page, we also have the option of running a search on just the table of contents of this code or selecting particular codes to search. By browsing the outline, we have found section 14202, Definitions, under the Model State Trademark Act. State code sections on Lexis have the same navigation and editorial features as the U.S. Code on Lexis, links to the table of contents and the ability to go to the history of the section or annotations leading you to interpretive cases. Lexis has a United States Code Service Index that can be accessed by typing United States Code Service Index into the search bar. Click on the USCS Index link when it appears below the search bar. There is also a USCS Popular Names table that can be accessed through Explore Content under Statutory Codes. If you need to run a full-text search to find a statute, consider running an advanced search after selecting codes. The advanced search screen allows you to restrict terms to particular segments or fields within the document. One very useful segment in code searching is the unannotated segment, which will avoid pulling up sections that contain your search terms that are only in case notes and not in the statute itself.